From idea to $1.6 billion company in 6 years. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we have an inspiring success story for you. We're going to take a deep dive into how Katrina Lake turned her idea into a $1.6 billion company in just 6 years. Get ready to be inspired. Meet Katrina Lake, the visionary founder of Stitch Fix, an ingenious online personal styling service. She founded the company back in 2011 and took it public in 2017 with a valuation of $1.6 billion. But let's start from the beginning. Katrina Lake, a Harvard Business School graduate, always had a fascination with the intersection of technology and fashion. Her eureka moment came when she realized that the retail industry could benefit from data-driven personalization. She set out to create a tailored shopping experience for customers using a combination of algorithms and human stylists. In 2011, with her own savings, Katrina founded Stitch Fix. The concept was simple. Customers would be paired with a personal stylist who would help refine their style. Every 1 to 3 months, a curated box of clothes tailored to their specifications would be sent to them. Customers could keep what they loved and send back the rest. Stitch Fix quickly gained traction, and by 2017, Katrina Lake made history as the youngest female founder to take a company public. But the success didn't stop there. Let's take a look at the numbers. Stitch Fix's scale is truly impressive. In 2019, they generated $1.57 billion in revenue. In 2020, despite the challenges posed by the pandemic, they maintained their revenue at $1.58 billion. And in 2021, they reached an incredible $2.1 billion in revenue. They continued to achieve the same figure in 2022. Katrina Lake's stake in the business grew significantly over the years. Initially bootstrapped, Stitch Fix later raised capital from top-tier investors such as Benchmark and Lightspeed. This allowed the company to expand its operations and reach an even wider audience. The global pandemic in 2020 presented its own set of challenges, but Stitch Fix adapted to the changing circumstances. They bolstered their online presence, curated work-from homeware, and scaled their algorithms to ensure personalized experiences continued. The magic of Stitch Fix lies in its perfect stitching of technology with human intuition. Customers receive boxes curated just for them, combining the personal touch of a stylist with the convenience of trying clothes at home. This unique combination created a buzz and allowed Stitch Fix to democratize services that were once reserved for the wealthy. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Katrina Lake and Stitch Fix. From an idea to a $1.6 billion company in just 6 years, this success story showcases the power of combining technology, data-driven personalization, and a visionary founder. If you're looking for inspiration to pursue your own dreams, Katrina Lake's story is a testament that anything is possible. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.